So your character is dying from lack of air, from suffocation. This can manifest itself from many different causes. Drowning, choking on something, being strangled or hung, that kind of thing. So anytime a character is dying from lack of oxygen, especially if it's an attack or a violent thing or like a drowning or something, they're going to thrash about and resist. Their air is lost and they cannot physically breathe in. You're not going to be able to breathe in. You need to be able to play that reality. Your face is going to become flushed. You're going to lose consciousness or get really fuzzy, and you're going to thrash about, doing everything you can to survive until it starts to drain out of you. And then you pull that back in and slowly let yourself drift off into this almost peaceful death. Drowning and strangulation are both very violent at first and then very calming and relaxing after the fact. You drift off into death. So you want to play all those moments, and you want to play the panic that a character feels by not being able to take in a breath. So hold your breath for a while as an exercise and really think, I can't breathe back in. What would you do to indicate that? What would you do to tell somebody? What would you do to stop the person from strangling you? What would you do to get back on top of the surface of the water? In a room with no oxygen in it, would you be banging around trying to find an exit? What does your character do to try to overcome the fact that they cannot breathe in again? Play that objective. Now you want to be careful that you give yourself room to breathe in the process, but not show that you're breathing in. So when you're straining, you can actually suck a breath in without being noticed. And especially on film, there's cuts and all sorts of things. So really concentrate on those steps that dying from lack of oxygen will give you, and you'll have a more convincing performance. Your character has died from lack of air. This is the end of your character's journey, I'm afraid. But if you would like to start over and choose another path, click on the yawn video. And if you want to go through the playlist and see which videos you might have missed, click on the playlist. Otherwise, have a good day, dead person.